old honky tonk. It's choreographed by Shellie Stone. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn any old honky tonk. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a jazz box in place, so we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to do a V step, stepping our right foot forward and slightly into that right diagonal, step your left foot forward and into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, and then your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts, doing your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 1/8 pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to push off the ball of our right foot, putting our weight onto our left. We're now facing the diagonal. We're going to do that again, stepping forward with our right foot, push off the ball of your right foot and put your weight onto your left. You're now squaring yourself up to the 9 o'clock wall. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to do a right rocking chair, rocking your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward onto your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your 2 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to shuffle forward, stepping our right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock. And from here, we're going to shuffle forward with our left, stepping our left foot forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot and do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, returning to 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot forward and slightly into that right diagonal. You're going to touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. We're now going to step our left foot forward into the left diagonal and touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right forward diagonal, touch your left and clap. We're now going to step our left foot into that left diagonal, and we're going to scuff our right heel forward and slightly over our left to go into your jazz box. So let's try that with some counts. We just came out of our shuffle. You're stepping with your right into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your jazz box. So it's over, back, side, forward, V step, out, out, in. Step 8th pivot, step 8th pivot, rocking chair. Shuffle forward, right, half pivot. Left, half pivot. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, scuff. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your jazz box. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your jazz box. It's over, back, side, step, V step, out, out, in, step, pivot, rocking chair. Now you shuffle forward with the right, step, half pivot, shuffle left, step, half pivot, step, touch with the right and the left, right, step, scuff, jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, V step, 5, 6, 7, 8, pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jazz box, V step, out, out and in. Step, pivot, rocking chair. Now shuffle forward with the right, step, half pivot, shuffle left, step, half pivot, step, touch with the right. The left, the right, Step, scuff, jazz, box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance ends facing the side wall. There's no ending listed, but I just dance up to my jazz box and I make it turn a quarter turn so I can end facing the front, but you don't have to do that. It's not listed on the step sheet. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn any old honky tonk. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.